The most technologically advanced and expensive Huawei smartphone is here. It's called Mate X2. We now know that the new product will support fast 66-watt charging. It is also confirmed that the smartphone will be based on SoC in Kirin 9000. Huawei's stock for this smartphone is clearly small, but sales of Mate X2, which will obviously be very expensive, will not be large. The main display of the smartphone will be characterized by a diagonal of 8.3 inches and a resolution of 2480 by 2220 pixels. In addition, the screen will be 120Hz. In addition, it is known about a quad camera with a pair of sensors with a resolution of 40 megapixels, which is somewhat strange, since the latest Huawei sensors have a resolution of 50 megapixels. Recall, according to rumors and leaks, the Huawei Mate X2 will have a design similar to the Galaxy Z Fold. That is, the main screen will fold inwards.